Hello guys, welcome to Trendy channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to create customizable theme. Now this is a church theme. Now there are some of us who doesn't know how to work with 3D effects. Some of us we are using phone for designing, and because of the low version of our phone, we cannot access PSM this thing, photo P, to get that file. So if this is your first time of coming to Customizable channel, Customizable channel is a channel that talks about church flyer, in short, all kind of flyer, different kind of flyer, mostly on Pixellab. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to create customizable theme for your church flyer, creating something that looks like 3D text effects and also serve well. I think I'll be dropping video on how I did the flyer separately, and I'll also be doing video on how I achieved the theme. So let's just dive into the video. Now for instance, now they said okay, Kairos night. I promise you guys not to hide anything from you guys, not to hide, and I will be as open as I can. That's a promise I gave you guys on this channel, and I'm trying my best to that. So please, if you want me, if there's any video you want me, if there's anything you want me to make video on, you can as well comment in the section of this video so that I will know that okay, this is what I'm making video on. So person requested for this. So the font I use for that Kairos night is Pepsi. This is the font. Now let me change the color. Though I cannot get that exact color, I can't get it, I won't lie, I can't get that exact color now, but this is just a tutorial, so let me just work with any color, just get what I want to show you. Now if we leave this thing like this, now let me come Kairos night. Now do you know that if this is the theme of the program, it will serve but except it's not professional, depending on the concept. Now why not just do something like this? Now don't forget your design, your design, like the details they give you is a design on its own. Your theme is a design. So when you're designing, you're working on two things: the main design itself and the theme of the program. So after you're done with your background manipulation and the rest, that's one design. Your theme again is another design you need to work on again. So Kairos nights, okay, I came here, I crop out this part of the Kairos night. I left only the K. What did I do? I increased the size of the K to like 200. Centralize it. Then I copied it. I brought this other part. Then what did I do? I reduced the size. I reduced the size of this other part of the design, this other part of the text. Then I increase. I went to my stroke. I stroked it. I see and stroked it like this. Stroke it to 10. Then I brought it and I drop it on it like this. Now let me increase the size of this text a little bit. Let me increase it like 110 so that it will not be as if this the K is bigger than everything. So let me just drop it like this. Come inside a little bit. Now I'm showing how to create customizable thing by yourself. Then what did I do? I merge it. Merge the K and the other words together. Then I went to my erase color. I erased the color. The color did not erase because they are all the combination of different color. So I used my color picker. I erased the black. I want to take off the black. I remove the black. Then what did I do? I went to my color. I changed it again to the gradient that I want. Now are you seeing that we've gotten something beautiful? Now our night, now let's just look for a way around it. So okay, this is our night. It's not good. So I went to my fonts. Now there's this font that is called Stretch. Is this Stretch? Stretch Pro. The fonts now will help you stretch double alphabets. So this N now, I want the font now to stretch this N. All I need to do is to put another N again. Now let me unlock it so that we'll have access to what we are doing. The work of this stretch now is to help you stretch at double alphabet. So guys, though I decided not to do something like this, but if you also need personal mentorship outside my YouTube channel, you can DM me on WhatsApp. If you need personal mentorship, you can. A lot of person has been coming to me, Sarge, please just mentor me. Because of the busy schedules, I was like, okay, let me just see. But if you've DM me before and I didn't say anything, you can DM me again. Let's see how we can help each other on this journey. So if you need personal mentorship, just tell me on Pixellab designing with your phone. So I said, okay, since it's like this now, let me just look for a way around it. So I entered my shape. Then let me change it from here so that you see what I'm doing at once. Entered my shape. Then I created this stuff here. Reduce the size. Then I took it up. So are you seeing that we've actually created a customizable theme for our design? So what design now? Carol's Night. Is it not beautiful? It's beautiful. It's nice. Then the second one now, I promise to show you guys. So now the second one is this one, blood. So okay, I was like, okay, blood. We have BLOOD. I was like, okay, how can I spice this blood? Like, I cannot just spice it to look spicy. So I said, okay, if for instance we have something like this, we'll have something. Let me increase the size as usual, paddling as usual. As if for instance we have something like this, blood. I said, okay, if we have something like this, blood, how can I spice this thing up? I said, okay, no problem. What I did was I removed the 2O. I dropped the space for the O. I dropped the space, then I hide the text, copy it again. Then I enter the first O, enter the second O. So what did I do at this moment? I centralized it. Then I went to my space. Into my spacing, I brought the both of them close by spacing it backwards. Then so what I did was I entered the shape. Let me just change the color from here so that is what I'm doing. So what I did was I merged both of them together. Then I went to my color picker as usual. Then I picked the pink color out of it. Then I changed the color to pure black. So now I brought the initial words, that's the blood. So now I realized that okay, there's no space again. So what I did was I spaced it out a little bit. Then I changed it to black. So guys, please, if you tried this thing on your design and this thing really helps, please come back, comment on this video so that you also encourage others to watch this video, not only you. Then I did something like this. So this time around I said, okay, let me reduce the size so that it will actually fit in. So I did something like this, and here we have our blood. So please guys, kindly subscribe, share this video with your friends. See you guys in my next tutorial.